Okay, this is going to be our second video in the linear equations and graphs unit. This is in Algebra 1 or in Mathematics 1. And we're going to continue to work on substitution. So the main idea that we're going to hit here today, let me turn on my pen, is substitution. And the idea of ordered pairs of x and y. So, we're asked to complete the missing value in the solution to the equation. So what's our equation? Our equation is y equals 3x minus 7. And we have an ordered pair. The ordered pair is 1 and something. So this is x and y. So I know x equals 1. I want to know what does y equal. So we're going to substitute every place that we see x. We are going to write 1. Okay? So let's go ahead and solve this problem. Y is equal to 3 times 1 minus 7. Oh, that means y is equal to 3 times 1 is 3. 3 minus 7. So y is equal to negative 4. So y over here is equal to negative 4. And that means because our ordered pair is xy, it's going to be negative 4. So over here, I'll write negative 4. Let's do the next one together. They're all really much the same, okay? So again, we're going to be using substitution. I want you to remember that word. And I want you to remember the ordered pairs. And what's the order in the ordered pairs? It's x, y. Okay, so our equation here is a little bit more difficult. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5x minus y. Okay, and we have an ordered pair, and it's something comma 0. And we know 0 is in that position for the y. So we know our y is equal to 0, but we don't know our x. So we want to find our x. So every time that we see y, I'm going to mark that out, and I'm going to put 0 in its place. Okay, so let me rewrite that. 2x plus 3 times 0 is equal to 5x minus 0. 5x minus 0 is just 5x. Right? 3 times 0 is 0. That means this side is just 2x, and this side is equal to 5x. Well, I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides so I can get x on one side. I want to isolate the x. Okay, so now I have 2x minus 2x is 0. 0 is equal to 3x. I'm going to divide both sides by 3, and I'm going to get 0 is equal to x. Or, because it's equal, we can just say x equals 0. It's the same thing. So here I know x equals 0. So my ordered pair is 0, comma 0. And so I'm going to write 0 in over here. Let's look at the next problem. Okay. The problem says, complete the missing values in the solution to the equation. So again, we're going to use that. What was it? Do you remember? Substitution and ordered pairs. And what are the ordered pairs? What's the order? It's x is first and y is second. That's easy to remember if you know your alphabet song, because A, B, C, D, E, F, G, X, Y, Z. Okay? And if we have a third one, then it's going to be Z. It really is. If we have three triple coordinate here. All right, so let's see. What is my coordinate pair? It's minus 1, negative 1. I shouldn't even say minus 1. Negative 1. And that's in the x spot, so I know x is equal to negative 1. And then nothing is in the y spot, so I want to find the y. So I have y minus 3 is equal to 2 times x plus 1. And every time I see that x, I'm going to get rid of it, and I'm going to write a negative 1. Okay? So now I've got y minus 3 is equal to 2 times negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So y minus 3 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 3. y is equal to 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Or I could add 3 on both sides. Could do it that way. Okay? So now my coordinate pair is negative 1, comma 3. So I'm going to write my 3 over here. We have one more. Let's go ahead and do it. We're going to use substitution. Substitution is a very powerful technique. Complete the missing value in the solution to the equation. So we have 4x plus y is equal to 10. And what is our ordered pair of x and y's? Let's see, it's something, comma, negative 6. That's a 6. So I don't know my x, but I know that my y is equal to negative 6. All right, so every time I see my y, what am I going to do? I'm going to put in a negative 6. And because there's a plus right here, and then I'll have a plus and a minus, I'm going to put some parentheses around it, okay? Just to kind of make it clear. So now I have 4x plus negative 6 is equal to 10. And I'm going to add 6 to both sides. And I'm going to get 4x is equal to 16. And I'm going to divide both sides by 4 so that I get x is equal to 4. So I know that this x is 4 and my coordinate pair is 4. So I'm going to write 4 over here. And then when we do that, we've got a perfect score on con. The link to this practice is in the description.